welcome to the channel. We're here. It's not just you that's in for a treat today, it's me too. And just like that, we're back. Yo, my name's F, and I do stuff. 6 o'clock in the morning, and you're about to get an idea of just what it takes to put together the maddest activations in the UK. We're doing Manchester. This is gonna be lit. So today you're gonna come along, I'm gonna give you some behind the scenes of what it takes to put together a DMO style activation. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm en route to DMO's house. I'm gonna drop my car off, we're gonna jump in the tour bus, and we're gonna head up to Manny. So we recently done a Cars and Kebabs last week in central London, and shit, we shut it down. It was nuts. But you see, the thing is, the Manny boys move different. The Northerners move different. Gutted I'm not taking my car, but I'll be honest with you, I'm not looking to draw myself out like that. I got work to do. So F10, here she is in all her glory, engine rebuilt, 1,000 of her ponies. We'll be staying home. I'm going to be jumping in the tour bus because I've got shitloads of work to do. Yeah, I'm F, I do stuff. Let's go do some stuff. First things first, let's get the car in the damn truck, because ain't no one driving this shit all the way out there. Stop, regrouping, change your cars. Yo, you gotta check out our tour bus for today. So obviously we've got our normal tour bus that you're all probably acquainted with. Where is she? There she is. Check this, this is our tour bus for today. But I'm living the dream today. We're at MMM, we're ready to roll. Leaving some of the weapons behind, because we decided to travel in a little bit of luxury today. Let's go around, let's go around. It's like AMG heaven over here. AMGs, AMG. Obviously the SVJ tucked away nice and safe, because ain't nobody looking to drive that 300 miles. Chew, what did you just fix, mate?
Come on, mate, fixed all the trailer wiring up. It was chewed up. We're sorted, good to go.
Give you a live update. We're in the new tour bus, en route. Oh, there is no such thing as time off. I got DMO in front of me. So we're en route, Manny. We're getting some grind done en route. Got Gran Turismo behind me. I've got Gran Turismo on the other side, and the most excited guy in the world.
You already know what time it is. Bah, bah, bah.
I said, give me a little red line.
Next stop services. We'll get out of this.
Yeah. Left, go past Chino, stop for exit.
Yeah.
Your place wherever you need to go.
Yeah.
Got enough room on there.
This is what goes into trying to figure out how on earth to organise 2,000 cars, 5,000 people. This is not a joke. So basically, I'm watching these two trying to figure out what they're doing.
Ready? Yeah. Tell me when everyone's got their red light.
I'm ready.
Lights,
I'm just here for background.
Ready? Yeah?
And the real camera.
Yo, so boom, boom, boom! Alright, touchdown in Manny. 016 was number one.
You mad,
know what's
come on.
going on. Alright, listen up carefully. Trafford Park, 6 p.m, 7 p.m. We're gonna go to GDK in Stockport. I'm deleting this post in 1 hour. Let's get it cracking! Cracking!
Listen, I kept quiet on that one. I let him do the talking. I'm just stood there.
What man don't know is the effort that goes into what we do. I'm in the car with man like Fletch.
What's happening? You're calling me up for a scrannel. What? I'm saying turn the camera off and let's get a little scrannel. What are you playing?
He's out here to basically feed us and send us sideways in Manny, and that's that.
That's it, man.
This is his hometown. He's showing us around real quick. We might have scattered out a little quick location for us to meet at later on. It is going off already. We're in Manny. It's 3:20. So the planning continues. We've got the location sorted. We're about to start activating. It's time to get the cars sorted out. This tour bus is gonna roll with us because, well, it's epic, and I'm just gonna chill in that. Time to detach the trailer because we cannot be rolling around central Manchester with that thing. That's Fred. Fred's gonna be doing a lot of driving, and as you can see, there's already toys turning up. It's gonna be mad. just like that, we are now rolling. As you can see, I've got the pack in front of me. I've chosen the easy option and the easy life tonight, and I'm sitting in the command center. We're now heading off to Fallowfield, which is Wimmy Road. Manny Wimmy Road has no idea. We've not announced we're hitting that Wimmy Road. No one knows. But oh my days, it's gonna be mad. So we couldn't come through Manchester without coming through a bit of Wimmy Road. We've just turned up unannounced. We've just parked some of the cars, and yeah, there's just a couple of us. It's hashtag no new friends. Oh, if you don't know who this guy is, he goes by the name of MSW.
This guy. What are you saying? You good?
Absolute legend amongst men. So one twin turbo ain't enough. Get you some of that. So the whole point of this vlog is supposed to be behind the scenes of actually what goes into it. So here's Cam getting some beauty shots. Yep. Here's Ronnie Winters looking at a place. He shouldn't be sitting down right now, but he is.
Hey.
New tune dropping, socials below. You don't actually understand how much sitting around this shit takes. Glued to your phone. Oh, by the way, I just got taught how to do. What did I get taught how to do?
Settings on the iPhone, take pictures.
I can now take pictures on the iPhone.
He's active.
Fucking active.
Now that's about two.
Yo, do that again! Do that again!
So the locals are getting gassed, which is making D and MSB very, very, very gassed. And you know what? Let me show you.
What's your name?
Tell them what you want.
Wait, give yourself some space.
Right now.
To the first location before we head to the second location, and it's going off now. We've got big MSB. Where's Fred? Keep it together, everyone's rolling out together. That convoy, yeah? So you wanted a behind the scenes. Boom, team's ready, let's roll. So this is about as behind the scenes as it's gonna get, really. I've ditched the tour bus, God knows, somewhere back there. Check out the madness that we are causing here. I'm just rolling through a little piece. One second. I am crossing roads. What's going on?
Have you seen it? That's Gridlock, bro.
What did you expect?
It's Gridlock.
Bro.
Yo.
This is what happens when MSB invites us down to his ends. To power socials. MSB, have you got the other location, yeah?
Let's go to GDK now.
Pretty much. You may as well wait for us though. We'll convoy together. When you see the SVJ, jump in behind. Right, needless to say, this is mad. Yo, how's my man keeping up on a push bike? Yo! is nuts. Oh shit. Alright, so basically we pulled up and this is a Mazza Fellini.
Mazza!
There are people everywhere. Got Ronnie Winters in the back.
You already know what time it is, man. Pop, 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 pop.
Fred's about to cross the red light in front of Fred's. And he did it!
Come on, Fred, you got away with it.
Yeah, this is mad. This is mad. So basically got MSB on the parking wall. This is mad. Basically we're here. We're in Manchester. It's just going off. It's just going off.
Alright, it's a bit of a shut down, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what our police are saying. No, let's go see.
This is mad. It's not what we expected. Well, we knew it was going to be a thing, but... Yo, MSB, did you expect this?
But of course I expected this. We ain't no 161,
Yo,
G.
161,
Come on, the
man.
city represents.
Flipping heck. So a lot of people have come to see me. A lot of people have come to see me, you know. I've had so many people ask me for pictures, autographs, everything. I'm famous. So it's official. We shut down Birmingham. Happened is there's basically a car show in every car park in the local area. I just started to take a walk and it is nuts. 10 minutes, like, this is mad. To give you an idea of the madness that's going down, this is Tesco, and we're over there, like way over there. There's overflow car parks, and then there's taking over a city. This is mad. So here's a live update. We've left. There's a helicopter in the sky. We're making our way quietly and casually down the motorway. That was nuts. Time to head to our guy Fletcher's place, regroup, relax, and figure out what the front door we're doing now. Because
the light still.
Mad. So as the SVJ goes in, you know what? It's time for me to get in this flipping tour bus.
Oh, man.
Ronnie, what are we doing in this tour bus?
Sleeping, my guy.
Hey, everyone is done. It is gonna be fat nap time. Wait, let me show you the state of the recline on this seat. Look at that. It's bedtime. It is bedtime. Everyone's out. Everyone's done. Loving it. It's gonna be 10 minutes of PlayStation and then it's time for a nap. It's now coming up to just past 10 p.m. It's been lit. It's been mad. Subscribe, like, share.
Listen to Rockets, dog.
That's been the motive. With
Active.
bye. Right, the behind the scenes madness continues. I've got MSW and MSB wrapping up their vlog. I've got D wrapping up his vlog in a second. Man like Cap Hansen. Yo, you boys about to start rap music here?
Yes, them lights are too bright for me, bro. This bit is calm.
What? They're the good lights, fam.
Yeah, fam, listen.
What is it? Sensitive, isn't it?
Yeah?
Ready?
Wait, nah, I need some ISO up for this.
Go there. Go that.
So boom, we're looking at both of them. MSB.
Come on. So, yeah, listen. I asked for the 0161 to stand up, yeah? Man was stood on shoulders and that. Man, listen, I asked him to stood on a bag of Peter Crouches there, just stop talking.
Cars and Kebabs every Tuesday, GDK, 2 for 1. You know the drill. Next week we're going to another city. But where?
Where? That's the good question, you know. That's a very good question. Let us be part of the next two or what? Of course. On camera, what we saying? We're shutting it down, yeah?
You know what's going on? We did London, Shellers.
Manchester, shut down.
Say,
Right, so we've been on the road for about an hour and a bit now. D, what have you been doing for the last hour and a bit?
Alright, last hour, looking through every venture. There's gotta be over 5,000.
Bro, we are watching movies on all the stuff that DMO has been tagged in. Listen, I'm signing out, I'm done. D's out, Roddy's out, Cam's I'm out, and Cam's out. And yeah, that guy was never in, I don't think. Catch you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe, do the whole YouTube shit. I want to move back onto a subject I touched on upon my previous videos, and that's mental health. So I'm really, really proud and happy to announce that we're going live. I've started an Instagram page called Noise Nation. I've chosen Noise Nation because this is to help with the noise in your mind, and we're going to do it with the noise of the cars. Noise Nation, link is down below. I'm going to try and plaster it everywhere I possibly can. Noise Nation is now here and fully running. I will promise you a response to whatever you send us within 12 hours. That's a lot, I know, but I am going to put it on me. Like you're contacting me right now. It's a one-man band. It is what it is. But I am now positioning myself here under the alias of Noise Nation to be able to assist and aid in a conversation, in a day out, in any capacity I possibly can to help you go through whatever it is you're going through, to stomach and digest whatever it is you're going through. So the headline of this and any following video will be Noise Nation is now presented to you and the wider world and audience to be a home to help you with your mental health. I'm really excited to present Noise Nation. Noise Nation is going to be owned and run by me for the moment. So if you drop me a message on Noise Nation, I am there for you 24 hours a day, whatever it is you need. We'll go through it together. I'm going to take this opportunity to actually give you an insight into my life, to try and help me be a little bit more accessible. I have twins, alhamdulillah, by the grace of God. My son spent 2 years, 2 months and 13 days in hospital in intensive care. He has a limited time to live, as we all do. With it comes strength, comes weakness, comes everything else. But I do get it. Okay, your mental state of welfare is the only thing that is actually protecting you from being eaten by this world. So let's rally together like those have for me, and let's just keep positive vibes. There's a way through everything, there really is. You want to know about me? I'm an open book, I'll tell you about me. But I want you to know that I have sought help from others, and others have helped me through this. And alhamdulillah, my family and my wife, my friends, they're all there day in, day out. So I'm now going to do my utmost best to be able to provide that same support that I get and have gotten and continue to receive. And I want to pass it on to as many of you as I possibly can. Noise Nation is the motive. Noise Nation is the brand. It's what we're going to be calling ourselves. Noise Nation will be providing events, sponsorships, merchandise, the whole shebang, and it is there for one reason only, and that is to provide a safe space for us to get together, talk about where we're at in life, and just help one another. Life's too short, just smile. I'm a bit emotional from, you know, alhamdulillah, having to say this. My sister's behind the camera smiling. God is great. Life is short. Make of it what you will, but let's get through it smiling. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share, write a post-it note on your cat, send the cat out. Like, share, and subscribe.
Make sure it doesn't die.
Make sure the cat doesn't. That's so morbid. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.